guys, Nadine here. I'm lying in my bed, doing nothing, just waiting for the time to pass. This will be my first video of 2015. Hopefully there'll be more coming within a few months' time. I'm just planning on how to do it all. I'm currently not happy. More details will come through in the next few more videos. I cannot tell you exactly now. So yeah, that's me, Nadine. Enjoy your day. Happy 2015. Bye.